On to a story we teased for you at the beginning of this broadcast. On the corridors of justice, the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission, EACC, on Tuesday defended its role in investigating Thika Chief Magistrate at Stella Atambo's graft case. Through their legal counsel, EACC argued it has the authority to conduct investigations and should be heard in court. However, the defense team vehemently opposed the sentiment, stating that while EACC has the right to investigate, it does not have prosecutorial powers as it bestowed to the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions. Details in the Scales of Justice segment.
Anti-corruption Principal Magistrate Harrison Baraza has directed that orders from the High Court on 17th March be extracted and served to his court before he could issue a ruling.
For a party who is yet to be admitted as an interested party, the person is just a proposed party, to come to court and say EACC, which obtained the warrants, have no locus, yet they themselves have no locus in the first place.
Atambo's battery of lawyers had requested the court to allow them to serve the petition before the High Court, along with direction from the Superior Court, so that the lower court could make an informed decision.
Where in that is Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission Act, where does it give them power to then become prosecutors? It must exist.
However, EACC officials insisted that the magistrate's ruling should be confined to the applications made at the lower court and not be influenced by the High Court's proceedings.
We submit, and humbly so, that EACC has chosen on their own volition.
The court has scheduled its ruling for April 2nd, 2025. And a chief witness in the burial dispute involving Kiambu County Deputy Governor Njeri Kirika's father has informed the court that the late had said where he wanted to be buried.
The place of burial will be Mzee's farm in Gilgil. Number 2, burial should be as soon as possible and preparations should commence immediately.
Appearing before Milimani's Commercial Court, Magistrate James Gitonga, Gabriel informed the court that the second wife was also legally married as they had a wedding.
Nani alikuambia kwamba baba alisema azikwe Gilgil?
Both families have disagreed on the burial place from James Mburu as push and pull between Gilgil and Murang'a counties continue. The hearing continues next week on Tuesday. Elsewhere, members of the Dupoto Settlement Scheme located in Embakasi South are calling for investigations over embezzlement and misappropriation of 2.7 billion shillings meant for their compensation following the acquisition of the ancestral land.
We are planning the squatters to go back to the land with immediate effect. Yes. I appeal to Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Ruto. Kindly give us an audience. We can give you the truth of the matter.
Through their legal team, they are pushing for criminal investigations into the fraudulent land deal and the prosecution of those involved.
The money was funneled through various law firms in a very shady and unscrupulous manner. Our clients never received a single cent from the money that was supposed to compensate them.
The displaced residents who claim they have lived on the land for over 30 years are demanding for justice. Ruth Wambui for Prime Edition.